Today we'll learn about BMI calculation. BMI calculation is very important for us because through BMI calculation we get to identify that whether we're in underweight or overweight or normal weight or obese range. The full form of BMI is body mass index. So this is basically the measurement of body fat based on height and weight that applies to adult men and women. The formula of BMI is weight in kg divided by height in meter square. So this is not the ultimate formula to calculate BMI. There are other ways through which you can calculate BMI. So I'm picking up this particular formula. So let's solve a math. Suppose someone's weight is 80 kg and height is 5 feet 8 inches. So how can we calculate this? So according to the formula, we get the weight in kg, which is 80 kg. Now we need to have the height of that person in meter, but is given 5 feet 8 inches. So we cannot directly convert inches to meter. So we have to follow step by step to find out the height in meter. So 5 feet 8 inches, if we multiply it by 12, because we know that 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So if we multiply 5 into 12 is equal to 60 plus 8 inches is equal to 68 inches. Now we get 68 inches. Now we have to convert inches into centimeter. So to convert inches into centimeter, we have to multiply 68 inches by 2.54. Then we get 172.72 centimeter. Now we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So to convert centimeter into meter, we have to divide 172.72 by 100. Then we'll get 1.7272 meter. Now we have got the weight in kg and height in meter. Now let's solve it by putting those number into the formula. So BMI is equal to 80 kg divided by 1.7272 meter whole square. If we calculate it, we get the score 26.819. Okay. Now we need to see this score falls under which range. So let's see the BMI range. If it's less than 18.5, we can say that the person is at underweight range. If it's between 18.5 to 24.9, then it's normal weight. If it's 25 to 29.9, is overweight, and 32 over is at obese range. So our score, BMI score, is 26.819, which definitely falls under overweight range.